You are welcome once again to Official Sounds YouTube channel. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Official Sounds. I am a music producer and a recording artist. Official Sounds spelled as HOFISHAL, and sounds with a very big S at the end. I don't mess with that. Yes. You spell my name without that S. If you call me for a show, I ain't coming. Except you add the S. The S is as important as the name Official Sounds. Alright. Okay, since you're here, please, if you're a new person, if you're visiting this channel newly, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting more of these videos. If you're an artist, if you're a music producer, beat maker or something, in as much as you have interest for this kind of videos, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Please be my friend. I want to be your friend too. And today I am using, this is FL Fruity Loops. Yeah, that's what I use. Okay. We are going to be working with IronAxe. For those of you that don't know IronAxe is a guitar plugin. It helps you make your guitar sound live. Understand? Yeah. You might listen to my beat and you'll be like, this guy's beat sounds so live. How did he do it? And you'll start thinking I employed maybe a live guitarist. No, you lie. You lie. I don't have money to pay live guitarists all the time. And if you want this plugin, go to the official website and buy the original plugin. Don't stand on the roadside and look for cracked plugins. Avoid free things. Make free things no kill. Okay. Okay. Now, let me select a particular preset. I like this guy. As you can see, there are lots of presets here. Lots of guitar, any kind of guitar. We have solo distortion guitar. We have sweetheart strat guitar. We have a flanger and telemi disturbing. We have lead me. You can choose any of these guys you want to use, but I prefer this guy right here, clean room. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you guys how to slide with let me play something first. There is a sound in my head I would like to share with you guys because I'm gonna use the sound to show you how to slide. No, I don't like this. The delay is way too much. I don't want it. It's kind of disturbing. Alright, let me play something. Okay, no, let me reduce the tempo to about maybe 100. No, that's way too fast. Let me make it 95. Alright. That metronome is disturbing. Okay. Right, now let me cut this guy short. Let me make this guy a little bit short. Alright. Alright, okay. Alright, let me copy and paste. Okay. Why I'm doing that is I don't know. I will tell you why I'm doing that in my next video. Let's focus on getting this slide because we are more after the slide. This video is gonna be studying us how to slide. I think that is way too. Now, alright, now it's not all guitars that can slide. There are guitars that can slide and some guitars don't slide. That's depending on the way the plugin was made. Now some plugins already they've added lots of effects including the slide effect to the guitar, which prevents you from adding your own method of sliding. Your own method of sliding might not work except you find a way to work with the plugin the way the plugin was created. No room for long story, I beg. Alright, now slide in a guitar in a song. In as much as you want the song to sound live, you need to give the features of which a live guitar will carry. If I listen to your beat and like I wanna play maybe an Afro beat, high life or pop, and you're bringing in a guitar, you know, if I don't get the feeling that I can get with a live guitar, I won't be satisfied. So I need a live guitarist. And another producer be like, this artist doesn't have money to pay for a live guitarist. So how do we achieve this? How do we get this done? Okay. Now it's just simple. It's simple, okay? All you need to do is get one of the best guitarists. I'm talking about IronAxe because if you have a good system and you need a good guitar, I recommend IronAxe. There are other beautiful guitars out there, but I like IronAxe, and it's the particular guitar that I'm going to be talking about. Yep. How do we slide with IronAxe? If this guitar IronAxe was not another guitar, I know most of you already know how to slide with guitars. Your normal way is if you're about to slide this guy with this note. Yep. Slide this guy to D6. This is the normal way you slide. This is the normal way you slide. Alright? You know that, okay? You know that already. That's the normal way you slide. Alright, but in IronAxe it doesn't work that way because the plugin itself, has been customized. Lots of effects has been added to the plugin. Like you can see back here, there's a reverb here, and there was a delay here. I got it off. Reverb, distortion, flanger, chorus, phaser, tremolo. You know, you can add tremolo if you want, but I don't want that effect on my guitar. I don't want all of my guitars to be shaking, so I can't put that. Okay, now here there is no slide effects here. We have wow, we have delay overdrive, ambiverb, and all that. If you wanna go by this, it won't work. To double it won't work because I've tried it several times, and sometimes I am able to, maybe if I'm recording live, I'm using my piano to play the guitar. I do get the slide feeling. I'll be like, wow, I finally slide with IronAxe. But again, if I want to do it again, I can't do it again. I'll be like, how was I even able to achieve this in the first place? So we've been trying this. We've been doing this many times until a friend of mine, Tija, he is the one that actually discovered this thing that I'm showing you now. And why I'm showing you is because he's way too shy. He's not very friendly with microphone, talking and all that. Talking to you right now, I'm even shy. Yeah, that's why you aren't seeing my face, but maybe more as time goes on, I'll have to show my face so you can see the man behind the microphone. Tija discovered this. So Tija James, yeah, you can check him on YouTube. He's got lots of instrumentals, mad instrumentals, Afrobeat, Amapiano, all genre of beat. Check him on YouTube, Tija James. You can find his instrumental there and you can connect with him just in case you need some beat. You can buy from them. You listen to his guitars, understand they sound really crazy, really dope. Okay, so up to the business of the day. And wait, don't be in a hurry to leave because I will be showing you guys something else. Pay very good attention to whatever I'm doing right now because it's not every producer that will share this with you guys. But I've got nothing to hide. Keeping these things away from other people doesn't change anything, neither does it add anything to me. It has no value. So I share what I know. Understand? Because I learn every day, and I believe if you wanna grow, if you wanna grow, the best way is to learn every day. You learn from people ahead of you. You learn from people you are ahead of. Yeah, nobody knows everything. Nobody knows everything. Okay, so now I wanna slide this guy. Now, how do we go about sliding this guy? It's very simple, but it's something that if you don't know, if you're not being told, you will never know. You will never know, but you can do it by log. Like you are playing. You can do it by log, but you will never be able to discover this thing. It's simple in a way that all you need to do is just, if you wanna slide this guy, just make the notes higher, increase the velocity. Yeah, increase the velocity. Make it louder than the next. Okay, now back to business. All you need to do is just make the particular note you wanna slide a little bit higher than the next note. Now listen to this. Okay, before then, let me undo this. Let me play. Okay, you've heard it just a normal note like every other note. Now let's increase the velocity. Alright, how does that sound? Okay, but this technique doesn't work on all the guitars, and even with your IronAxe, it doesn't work everywhere. Ask me how. Don't be in a hurry to quit. Don't be in a hurry to leave because there are certain things you still don't know. Now, if we play this guy down here, have you noticed anything? You know. Okay, let me undo this and play. Now let me show you this again. Alright, what you've seen there is that if this particular note gets very close to this guy, the guy you're sliding, it won't work. It won't work. Okay? It won't work. So all you need to do is, if you're sliding, if you wanna slide, you make the next note short. Not your sliding. It can come up to this point. That's if you want. It can come up to this point. Yeah. To still slide, but in as much as it is very close, almost the same line, starting the next note that you wanna slide, it won't work. So you take this guy down here, and slide. Now, if you wanna slide this guy right here, all you do is, okay, now let's say we put it up to, this is something you need to observe carefully too. This guy won't slide. Where is my mouse? I'm still looking for. Okay, this guy won't slide because of this guy. So you need to bring this guy low, and cut this guy off, and understand. Now if you return this guy, same thing I said here about this guy coming very close to this guy. Understand? That is the very same thing that is happening. Where is my happening here right now? Okay, so. But I wouldn't slide this guy if I'm to make a beat with the sample. So I'll drop this guy. I prefer sliding this other guy, and okay. Alright. All right, you can see now that I've dropped down this guy, the guitar, you won't feel the slide effect anymore because I've dropped down the velocity. But now let me kick it up. Understand? So these things are just simple tricks, things you spend your time on. The more you spend your time on this software with Ajebo, the more things you get to know. Thanks for watching. My name is Hofishal Sounds. Once again, this is my channel. Subscribe to this channel, and in my next video I will be showing you guys not just how to slide with IronAxe, not just how to slide with any guitar. I will show you how to slide with I'm not gonna show you how to slide because I've already showed you how to slide with IronAxe. I'm gonna show you how to make melodies with guitar, how to use your guitar in a beat and make it sound like a live guitar. Understand? All it takes is time. All it takes is time. Definitely, as a music producer, you need to be patient. You need to be patient. Now, this is me advising you. Understand? Me advising you. You can't rush over everything. You will miss it out. You're gonna miss it out. Okay? So you have to be patient with your work. Yep, you have to be patient. So I'm gonna show you how to create melodies with your guitar in your FL Studio and make them sound as a real life guitar. Okay, so just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and invite your friends to do same, and I'll be your friend too if you can do so. Okay, if I grow, you grow, because the more I grow, I'll have more inspiration, more vibe to come in and post more videos just for you. So see you next time.